So guys, papunta na kami sa accommodation namin. Super, ano na, super pagod. Dito na kami sa Vienna, guys. So guys, i-room tour ko nga pala kayo dito sa aming accommodation. And pasensya na sa mga sampayan namin. Wait, ipakita ko sa inyo una yung aming WC. Ayan. So once you open it, yan, ayan, agandang toilet. And the lavatory. Tapos, bathtub. So carry na, and here I am. And ayan, ang bintana. Then, here's ang mahiwagang door. So, may one bedroom dyan. Kitchen. Ayan. So, I can show you the other door, guys. Kasi may natutulog dyan yung aming driver. And, may dala kaming cooler. Tapos, yan ang aming view. And then, here I am again. So, ayan yung mga baon naming food. May banana, bread, may Shanghai and Biko. May rice din kami. And ito yung aming room. Makalat, guys.
Makalat.
We're all preparing for our photo shoot. Busy lahat sa pagkukuko. Yan. So we're on the way, guys, to photo shoot. Couple dress, and the other couple busy yung isa last minute makeup. Ang ganda niyan, guys. So, and namamadali na kami dahil nahanap na namin yung spot kung saan kami pipicturean. Ganda, guys. Nagpipicture lang kami dito. Oh, yan ang opera.
Oh, malalaglag pa ba ako? Oh, di ba? Pero parang malalaglag pa rin ako. We're just taking video.
So guys, nandito na kami sa accommodation and they are preparing foods kasi gutom na lahat. And nandito pala kami, guys, sa Austria dahil tomorrow is the day. So they're all preparing na rin, guys. Nagre-ready na for tomorrow. What is your wish? What is your wish for me? Birthday? Hindi pala birthday.
Birthday mo na pala bukas.
Advance.
Kain na tayo. Let's eat now. Yung cheese din na lang ako.
Dali, tikim. Masarap to.
Masarap yan.
Yes, wine night.
Wala si Jess yan.
Hindi siya sobrang tapang. So, nakapag-ayos na kami and we're ready. Kailangan ko ng tissue.
Ano yung vlog?
Yeah.
Ano ko rin?
YouTube channel? Later. So, we're leaving guys dahil 11 ang aming check-out time. And this is my bouquet. So good. Let's go. Guys, so nandito na kami sa bahay. Nakabalik na kami from Austria. And masama ang pakiramdam ko. Actually, tatlo kami ni Ate Liza, ni Glenn at ako na masama na ang pakiramdam. So, nag-start itong pasama ng pakiramdam ko nung kagabi pa. Pero nilalabanan ko dahil nga, syempre, big day, kinabukasan, kaya naman nilabanan ko. But, pagising ko, as in, ang sama na ng pakiramdam ko. Tapos, nakainom pa ako ng malamig na tubig, hindi ako nakainom ng maligamgam, so parang lalo siyang naano. Tapos nasundan ng yung biyahe paikot-ikot, so parang lalong sumasama, naka-aircon sa car, mainit sa labas, talagang nagsama. And then may nangyari pa before the wedding, may instance na nangyari talagang muntik pang hindi matuloy. And hindi namin yun in-expect, kaya talagang sobrang ano yung pakiramdam namin niya nung time na yon. And nung naging okay, sobra yung aming saya. And until now, naiiyak pa rin ako pag naaalala ko yun. Kasi imagine, we came to Austria all the way from Czech, prepared everything. Ang hirap, ang laki na ng ginastos, ganyan, tapos ganun lang. And siguro mag-story time na lang ako the next time. So, ayan, we're officially married. Siyam nasa CR. Guys, ayan yung engagement. Ayan, and the wedding ring is just so simple. So, super simple lang ng wedding namin, guys. Super intimate lang, mga close friends lang yung nakasama kasi nga super biglaan lang din nag-invite dahil hindi naman talaga namin planong mag-invite sana. But since they are willing to go with us to witness our wedding, syempre super grateful kami, kaya naman sinama namin sila. Gusto din naming makasama sila. Kaya naman ayun, sobrang thank you sa kanila, kay Mayor, kay Ate Ren, kay Jazz, kay Liz, kay Glenn, at kay Liza. Super helpful nila sa amin. Talagang accommodating sila sa amin. Lahat ng mga kailangan namin, tinutulungan nila kami during and after the wedding. Before, during, and after the wedding. So, tomorrow guys, meron pa kaming lakad, kaya kailangan na namin magpahinga dahil lalo na kami dahil masama ang pakiramdam ko. Kaya I really need to take a rest kasi maaga pa yung aming biyahe. Time now is 10:45 in the evening and biyahe kami ng 3 AM. So, sobrang kailangan namin muna magpahinga. So, for now, guys, yun lang muna. We are still waiting for the photos and videos from our photographer dahil she's traveling now to Hungary. Tomorrow daw niya masisend sa amin through email. Kaya, we're still waiting. Bali, ipopost naman namin yun, guys. Kaya, thank you for supporting us. Sakit pang ulo ko talaga ngayon. So, yun lang muna, guys. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy this video. And kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. And click the notification bell para update ka sa aking mga new uploads. Good night, guys!